Empathy, not just for betazoids, also for technical writers. I'm Diana Payton, and this is Technical Writing Uncensored. I've been working in technical documentation, mostly software, mostly in leadership roles for about 15 years. So I've been around the block, got some stories, and I've got some perspective that I'm going to share with you today. Empathy is one of the most important skills for a technical writer because that is how you put yourself in your user's shoes. And how do you develop that? What do I mean by that? What do I mean by empathy? How do you develop it? Well, the best way I found to develop empathy is actually to become a user, not just of the product or tool that you are using, but of everything. Try tutorials of all sorts, learn new things, and feel the frustration of being a new user, of adopting an unfamiliar tool set, something that you don't actually know how to do, and be in that vulnerable position. Do this over and over in different contexts until you start to understand and have that kind of new user mindset that you can tap into almost at will. This is why when I start a new job, I almost prefer not knowing anything or knowing very little about the product that I am documenting, because then I can have that authentic new user experience. I can come in with fresh eyes and hit those same pain points and roadblocks that a regular new user will run into. If you're already an expert, it's hard to set that experience and knowledge aside and try things with fresh eyes. But becoming a new user yourself, going on that user journey, is just priceless. That experience is gold. And if you happen to be an expert, how do you still have that empathy? Well, sometimes you need to learn to set that knowledge aside, pretend it doesn't exist, put it in a little box in your mind, and pretend that all you have to work with is whatever is in the UI or on the page in front of you, the documentation page. Anything outside of that, you don't know because you're a new user. And see if you can be successful with only that content. And then with that experience, turn back to the documentation and see how you can make it better. Cultivating empathy will not just help you write better documentation, it will help you be a better person too. And again, I'm getting off philosophical here when I'm supposed to be talking about documentation, but it's true. Anyway, hope that this has been an interesting video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Until then, I'm Diana Payton. This is Technical Writing Uncensored. Have a good one.